Hello friends, PiLog is launching its cloud platform. PiLog Cloud Platform. What is it? It is self-delivered, lot of process-driven, methodology-driven services or consulting-driven services. Such as if you would like to do the profiling of your vendor master data, you can quickly do that. You do not need any expertise. You bring in your data as per the structure that is specified on the cloud and you can run it. If you would like to do the profiling of customer data, you can do that. If you would like to do the profiling of material data, asset data, or equipment data, or any other maintenance data, you can do that. So that's a single platform to handle it. And how you can access it? Directly log on to www.pilogcloud.com and then subscribe to it and then start using it. You do not need any expertise. Thank you.